Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I reckon I'm jinxed after that Rotherham game. It's absolutely soaking wet here at Stockport County. Yeah, it's Stockport County versus Newport County today. I'm shooting on behalf of Hugh Evans' picture agency, a Welsh agency, so Newport County, both halves again, so that's a nice easy decision made for me. As you can see, it's absolutely soaked. The vlogging camera's getting misty already, but we're here anyway. Try and keep the kit as dry as I can. I'm just going to get a few general views of the ground and try and portray it best I can. Hey, up, we're steaming up. I'm going to go in and take cover in this stand, get a few GVs, and then go and get ready for the team bus arriving. Catch up in a bit. That's 2 or 3 general views of the ground taken, just on the 16 to 35, about 3/20th, F8, just to make sure I've got a nice bit of depth to get everything nice and sharp. I've opted to stand. We'll take some general views from this open stand, if you like, open seated area. No doubt this is where Newport are going to be, bless them, so hopefully they're coming with their rain gear. But it has actually eased off a bit, but yeah, I just wanted to, because there's only 3 stands, just wanted to try and fill the frame best with the 3 stands, as you can see in the background. So, and then the main stand is the main focal point with the goal net in the base of the frame, so that's that done. I'm going to head back in now, get these sent off, get the laptop set up, wait for the guys to arrive on the bus, get them coming off the bus, shoot back into here, get some of them looking at the ground, and then get them sent off, and then head out and get a few fan shots before heading back in for the start of the match. Right, I'll get a few images sent off. Catch up in a bit, guys. Flipping heck. Please, no more waterlogging. We don't want another Rotherham. So as I was making my way round, I spotted they put the ball out, and just went and checked it out, and there's a nice Stockport emblem on there, Stockport logo on there, so it's always good to keep an eye out and see what else you can grab while you're walking around the ground if you've got a bit of time. So yeah, made a nice little general view that with the ball and then the main stand in the background. So yeah, always keep an eye out for something extra, something a bit different. Right, well, it's getting quite busy now. I've covered some warm-up. Been outside, didn't get many fans because their heavens open, didn't want to get the kit too wet, so I took a few quick. Come back in, the rain has actually stopped now, thank goodness. So I've just positioned myself not far from the dugout, because you just never know. As I want Newport, I think they're going to shoot to my left, but you never know on a coin toss. So I've just positioned myself near to the managers, and then I can make the call. As soon as the handshake's done and they've done the coin toss, I can make my way to the 18-yard line and get set up. So I'm just going to send a few warm-ups up now. I'll catch up after handshake just before kick-off. Well, it's been a bit frantic. I've only just hit record on the vlogging camera. We're 28 minutes into the first half. Stockport have scored 1-0. I'll pop some images up in a minute. But there's been a few injuries, but the main thing is I ain't got the vlogging camera out because it has been hammering it down with rain. So it's just stopped now, luckily, so I've got you out. Hopefully we might get a Newport goal, but it's all been Stockport so far. Yeah, the goal, the other end, Stockport goal, worked out quite nicely on the 5D Mark IV. I could pull it in with it being a 30 megapixel sensor, so quite a nice sharp frame. We just had a bit of a foul. We're all right. Yeah, this weather is atrocious again. I've got the eye cap up, as you probably can't really see it. Got the eye cap up with the laptop in it. Managed to get a few frames off, got the goal frames off. Just waiting for a bit of action now. Stockport fans are in good voice, got a nice drummer behind me. Good atmosphere here. Well, that's the first half done. Stockport just got a second right on the dying seconds of the first half. I was blocked for the goal, blocked for the celebration. Doesn't really matter because it's Newport that I'm after. But anyway, I'll get this lens wiped down. It's still nice and fair. Fingers crossed it stays that way. I'll pop a few images up from the first half now. Right, second half underway. I've positioned myself as near to the Newport fans as I can, so I'm just on the touchline next to the corner flag, just in case Newport score and run our way, run towards their fans. I've got very little option really because as I was saying, I've got very little option really because the pitch sheets are folded up all the way along the touchline here, so we can't really sit very far into the pitch. So it's a case of making the best of a bad job here, but it's still fine and dry, which is great. Just hoping for a bit of Newport action now. While there's a throw in, I always take a quick frame just to make sure exposures are right while he got a second. Well, another goal for Stockport, that's 3-0. Managed to catch the goal and the celly. A long pull again, but should get away with it on the 5D Mark IV. I'll pop a few images up now. Just while the ball's gone out, bit of a tip for you. I always put team sheets in my pass wallet, just for easy access then. You can quickly have a look, and it saves it getting wet, like today. Sometimes they're a bit hard to fold up and get in there, but managed it alright today. It's a bit steady this end, not a lot of action from Newport, unfortunately. Well, that's full time, hardly any action my end. 4-0 thumping by Stockport, unfortunately. So I've got a nice bit of action, I think, in the second half, but nothing really. The fans are great, applauding the players. About a 200-mile trip for Newport fans, but anyway, that's that. Thanks for watching, guys. Not the best of videos action-wise, but I'll pop a few images up now. Leave any comments below, and I'll catch up with you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Catch up soon.